Mom's powering up these hills like a champ. Come on, stop getting in our way. Say hi, Mom. Huh? I'm videoing. Say hi.
Hi.
You got it. It's just right up there. You're almost there.
One more hill.
One more hill on this section. Then there's more hills. Don't tell her. Shh. Usually there's a huge waterfall up there. And then this is a beautiful creek the dogs love to run through. But it's mid-September and it's the very third day of spring, fall, and there's no water. So I took Mom to where the waterfall usually is, and I'm going to describe to her with words how beautiful it is. So this is normally the waterfall. That is where normally the dogs play. There's no water today. It's like just enough water to keep the rocks wet. I can talk. Oh my God, don't fall down that hill. I would probably just leave you there to die. I'd call somebody.
My mom's down there. Go get her.
We're almost at the top of the mountain. Hill. It's not a mountain, it's a hill. Mom, you're a rock star. Keep climbing. You can do it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you hate me right now?
How much do I what?
Hate me right now.
About 11.
I'm like, there's not many hills. There's not many hills.
What?
I kept telling her that. I lied. You got it. You need a break? No? I'm telling you, I swear we're almost there. See, look. We're almost at the top. You can't even go up much higher. No, that one's higher. Look this way. This way, see?
What's that way up there?
I'm pretty sure that's a fire break road.
Oh.
Yeah. Go on, buddy. I love this hike. It's just so beautiful. Excuse me. Hey Danica, you thirsty? Want a drink? You want a drink? Come on, you want a drink? Drink? No? Okay, let's go. That would probably go viral if I caught it on video. Be careful right here. There's a bug in my ear. We made it to the water. Dogs can't wait. They're just, you know. Danica heard water and she was out. Come on, buddy. Let's go this way. Are you gonna go that way? Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, Danica, let's go. Danica. This is her favorite part of this whole hike. Yeah, we're going down there.
Okay.
There she goes. I don't know if you can see her. Danica! What are you doing? You in the water? Go on. Get in the water. Go on, baby. Mom's got her feet in the water. You like it here, babies? Kuma, what do you think of this place? Mom had her first little fall. She seems to be doing okay though. Got a little blood on her knee. She's a champion. Champion! Woo! Are you gonna come up here? Mom's making the climb. Get my bag now. It's just so cool because in the wintertime, or in the fall, you can't come up here because this is like torrential. So it's just neat because this is the first time there's been water here, but it's not so much that I can't climb. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Dogs and Mom. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, go on, guys. Go on. Are you barefoot? Why are you barefoot? Actually, well, that's like that's the very literal interpretation of barefoot. But why are you barefoot? Mom's barefoot in the stream. River? Creek? Crick? What side of the country are we on? So Mom, now that we're done, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you hate me?
Oh, 5.
Oh, yay! That's better.
It was a good walk with the waterfalls.
I did really lie about the hills. I knew there were a lot of hills, but I knew you could take the hills.
And the waterfall, especially since I fell into the waterfall.
Hike done. Yay! Yay!